everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick weave, but I'm going to be using bundles from Curlsqueen. So of course I'm going to start off showing you everything that I got in my packaging. This is everything that I got here. You get of course your hair and then a few accessories, but I really want to get into the hair today. So for this quick weave, I am doing a versatile quick weave and I am only using 2 bundles. So I will have the links to this hair down below and all the details. Now right out of the packaging, the hair actually looked really full and thick all the way down to the ends. No shedding or tangling. I was really excited to get to work with this hair. This is how the bundle looks completely rolled out, but it is doubled. So I did actually install the hair doubled as well. So I glued the track together to give like a double wefted type of look. And now I'm getting into my actual prep for the quick weave. So my hair is freshly washed and I'm just blow drying it now. And I am going to braid up the back. So for this style, I did leave the front out and I also left a portion of the back out so that I can have more versatility with this style. You're able to do ponytails, much more of like a sleeker ponytail, half up, half down. So now I'm really getting into my braid down. I just did 4 jumbo messy braids. I really wanted to showcase how you can sometimes kind of get away with a lot when it comes to a quick weave. You can do really neat and tight cornrows to the back, or something messy like I did. But now again, we're prepping our hair for the glue. So I am adding this protective shield all over my cap. You do need a wig cap, of course. You can actually use your hair and not a wig cap, but I like to use the wig cap. I did put that protective shield all over and then I let it completely dry before I start to add my tracks. So now that my cap is completely dry, I am measuring out my first track, and I like to lay my first track like at the very bottom and kind of have it kind of flowing toward my face. So I'll just put it around like a U, and I'm gonna do that U shape all the way up my head until I kind of get to the crown, and then I'm gonna start laying them across for more of a flatter install. And again, I did double the wefts up just so the process of laying the tracks down would be quicker. You definitely don't have to. It would still be the same amount of hair in your head, but I doubled them up. Now, I did space them out maybe like 1.5 inches apart each track because like I said, I have the 2 bundles. So I didn't want to lay them too close together, and I did double them up. So laying them too close together might not get you enough hair to work your way all the way to the top. But you want to make sure that you give yourself enough space so that if you do have hair left over once you get to the top, you can go back and add hair in if need be. But now that I am getting up to the top, I want to show you guys what just the 1 bundle looks like. This is just 1 bundle, so the amount that I have left at the top is perfect for the 1 more bundle. And the hair looks pretty full, so I think you can definitely get away with ordering just 2 bundles. I do personally like a fuller look, so I would order 3 or 4 bundles, but you can get away with the 2. So I'm just blow drying it right now. You see it is like a wavy texture, so I just wanted to get it kind of straightened out as I go along because I will be straightening the hair. But okay, now we're at the top and I am laying my track straight across instead of that U like we were doing before. And then once I get to the very top here, you're going to see in just a minute, the tracks are cut even smaller and they're laid across. Now I really wasn't going for the flip over, but it's versatile, so you can flip it over either side. I laid the tracks just going up the right and the left side, but so you can flip it to either side you like. Then of course I sent under my dryer to make sure that all of that glue is dry. And it is the next day. Now I am ready to style. My leave out has been pressed, and again, now we're just ready to style. I left a lot of hair out in the back, in the front, and a little on the sides, again, for more versatility when it comes to styling. So for this hair, I think it held up really good. As you guys can see, it looks really thick, definitely enough hair. If you were to use even more bundles, you would get a really nice full look. So these are some bundles that I would definitely recommend. I didn't have any issues with shedding, just, you know, like the normal shedding. Tangling, I didn't really have any issues with tangling. I did end up layering the hair. I love layers, so I always layer any install that I do, or wigs, honestly. So I did do the layers. The hair curls very nice. No issues or concerns when it comes to that. All in all, I think this hair held up really nice. Again, definitely recommend it. So if you would like to check them out or order these bundles for yourself, I do have the links in the description box down below. And now I am just strictly styling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think or what you thought. And honestly, I love Curlsqueen. They have a lot of products, especially for a lot of different textures to try out. So definitely look up their website if you have not seen them before. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.
I'll be right there. I need you to know this what I said. No one was texting. I need me a text, man. Look at she out. See, she came back, got him, got involved. She said, do you still love me? I said, not at all. Please don't wait, I won't be alone. Like a girl in the drop top, put the lollipop at the light.